Now to break down the very troubling and complicated case of Timothy Durbin is criminal defense lawyer Sara Azari. Sara, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Chris.
You've spent a lot of time in court defending criminal cases. Why do you think this ended in a hung jury?
I think because this case turned on Andrea's mental state, and both sides used that to their advantage. So for the prosecution, it was that because of the trauma of the rape, she suffered these hallucinations and this tormented mind. And for the defense, it allowed the defense to raise the issue of reasonable doubt. And so because of her mental state, because of her inability to be able to, with certainty, testify as to the events that occurred versus the voices in her head, the jurors could not unanimously vote. So two people held out.
This could have been a lot more serious for Tim at the end of the day. I mean, he got a pretty good deal on this plea.
He absolutely did. I think he is avoiding the risk of being found guilty on a number of very serious charges, which were sexual assault charges that would subject him, if convicted, to a lifetime of sex registration. Okay. So he's avoiding that. He's also avoiding prison time.
Explain this Alford plea. What is that?
The Alford plea is a mysterious plea. It's essentially where the defendant says, I'm innocent, but I'm guilty because I admit that if the prosecution goes to trial, they can prove me guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But it allows the defendant to maintain his innocence, at the same time suffering a conviction, which brings justice for the victim.
Sara, thanks for your insight into this case. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you think prosecutors got it right? Sound off right now on our Facebook page.